Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to bake hot cross buns. Let's get started. Lukewarm buttermilk. Add some sugar to the buttermilk. Brown sugar. Yeast. 1 beaten egg. Softened and salted butter. Mix them well, then set aside. Let's mix all the dry ingredients, some bread flour, a little salt, mixed spice, cinnamon powder, some candied peel, Sultanas and raisins. I soaked them in red cooking wine overnight. Gradually add the fluid to the dry ingredients until there is no loose flour in the bowl. Proof for 1 hour. One hour later, let's check the dough and degas. Apply some vegetable oil to the cling film. Cover the dough with the cling film. Let it rest for 30 minutes. "30 minutes later, transfer the dough to the flour table. Evenly divide the dough into 12 portions. Grease the cling film. Cover the dough and let it rest for 30 minutes. Preheat the oven at 380 Fahrenheit. To make the batter of the cross, I prepare some water at room temperature. Add a little sugar to the water. Gradually add the plain flour until you get a consistency like this. Draw the cross. Bake them for 15 to 20 minutes. Time is up. Let's check the buns. The glaze is made of the same amount of sugar and water. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So each hot cross bun costs me 70 cents. I'm going to enjoy my hot cross bun with salted butter. Thanks for watching my video.